I'm Jed Hazard with Mike Goulian Aviation. Today, we're installing this Acme Stinger tailwheel assembly on 4.8 hotel uniform. It's a Husky 200. The Acme tailwheel setup is conducive to smoother landings, softer taxiing, less shimmy. The spring rate is actually adjustable at these holes here. By being in the middle, we're in the standard configuration, and you can go to a softer spring rate or a stiffer spring rate. So we're gonna install this today and see where we're at. Removed here. Steering's all been disconnected. We've got the front bolt for the tail spring loose. We're gonna take these two U-bolts out, and then this whole tail spring assembly should come down, and we'll get ready to put the new one on.
There you go. 5.
Yeah.